Say, look at my gyro bowl.
Go get Dad.
Come here. Hey, come here. Here, you want this? Haley.
Here, refill it. Come here, Lee. Come on, we gotta put more puffs in there.
Whoa.
Oh, you okay? Here, let me see it.
Whoa.
Good boy.
Yummy.
You gyro crazy. Gyro crazy. Feels good.
They yummy?
Come here, you want a few more?
So let me shove all these in my mouth first.
Slow down, Lee.
Lee,
Slow down.
take a break.
You take a break. You take a break. Can I have one?
Give one to
Can I
Mama.
have one?
Say no way, Jose. Hey, Liam. Say bye-bye. So gentle. Say, fill up my bowl. Liam. Hey, Lee. Say, I will help.
Mama has some.
Can I have one? Can I have one? Can I have one?
You know how to share.
Haley, excuse me.
Have one?
Can I have one, please?
Share with Dad.
Oh,
Good
thank.
boy.
Psych. Say psych.
You little sneak.
Can I have one, pretty please?
One here. Put one here.
Oh, thank you.
Go. Let go.
You can have that
Good
one.
boy.